Yo, what is up? Welcome back to another reselling video. Today we're going to get into some more good reselling products products of the day. Let's start with our cologne. By the way, for a reminder, if you've never seen this channel or seen my videos, all of these product links will be in the description. So if you need any of them, make sure to check out the description and click it there. So we're going to start out. We're going to start out with a Dolce & Gabbana cologne. It's a pretty good product. It looks pretty realistic. It's a good rep. It's nice. It's only $23. And then if you go to like a reference off Amazon, it's $175. So there's a quick, $150 price difference. You can sell this you could probably sell this for like $120 on Facebook Marketplace and make a quick $100. So it's definitely a good idea to look into this product. I really like it. But yeah, all right, now let's move on to our Pokemon cards. So this is I've talked about Pokemon cards in the past, but this is a new trading box that came out that seems to have a good difference. So after discounts especially, it's only $8.35 to get a whole entire box, and then if you look on the reference Walmart, it's $200. So this is probably one of the better products, as you can tell. It's about it's almost like $195 difference. So $195 from DHgate to Walmart. It's definitely a good one to resell. I'd probably put it up for like $100, and you could probably get away with it. And there you go. That's a quick, $90. $90. You could probably actually put it up for like $150, just because, this is new, and if this is sealed, which I think it does come sealed, it'll look even better. Again, all links are in the description. Just as a reminder, if you're looking into any of these products, just check the description. All right, I talked about this one earlier in a different video, but this is a different listing for it, and I think it's a little bit actually better. So this is the 4th generation Aura Smart Ring. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. You probably have. You've probably seen it on TikTok somewhere, but it's only $27. Buying the other one was like $32, so it's a little bit cheaper, and you have a ton of options on colors. So this is a really good product. So it's only $27, and it's trending, which means you're gonna get a lot of buys. And then on Amazon, the exact same 4th generation ring, it's $343. So you could probably put this up for even $250. I mean, $100 less than new, and you would make some bank right off this product. If I were to recommend any of these, it would definitely be this last one. Although the other ones are great. This one's great. This one's a really good one for the profit margin. But obviously, if we go back to this one's 18. The box is the cheapest overall, so the cheapest to buy. So if you're starting out, Pokemon might be your cup of tea. It might work well for you. But yeah, that's going to be all for today's video. Make sure to check out the Aura Ring. I'll add if you need more products, I'll add a little video tag in the corner that you can check out some of my other videos. I'm going to be posting hopefully daily now. So I appreciate all the support recently. See y'all later. Have a great rest of your night.